bank was originally founded as Citizens Bank. My early history was the bank was really as a youngster. My dad served on the bank board along with 6 or 7 other people in the community in Greensboro. My dad would take me to the board meetings. The interaction between the people at the board meeting and realizing their involvement with what was going on in the community was fascinating. Also, a little side benefit was if it was something maybe I didn't need to be involved in, they would put me in the vault and I could watch all the money. I was always amazed. It still stuck with me that the stacks of money were sitting on a little wooden table that wasn't even finished. I mean, it was just raw 2x4s. Citizens Bank merged with the Bank of Union Point. The name merged just like the banks did into Citizens Union Bank. We're proud of our Southern roots and Southern heritage and liked having that as part of our name. Kim had built a great reputation with Loan South.
We'll continue to grow and prosper because of our alliance with the bank. We're excited about the bank moving into the Loan South footprint and being able to work together to create opportunities. I really don't think I could have picked a better partner than Harold Reynolds.
The mortgage company and the bank have grown closer and closer together. Our businesses are integrated at this point. We are trying to serve the same customers largely, and it just has become apparent that bringing those names together, actually trailing the joining of the companies is the right thing to do.
I think it's a commitment to excellence on both ends and very excited about coming closer together.
It's a natural progression. Bringing that brand from the bank into the mortgage footprint is absolutely the right thing to do. We've got a wonderful bank with a wonderful, rich history and tradition, and an aggressive sales group here on the mortgage side, and bringing those two together is going to be just a wonderful fit.
It is a small institution. They know there's somebody there, a person that we can actually talk to. So I think that gives us the edge, and that's why I think it works for us.
I think this whole thing is going to be great because we're very much alike in that the two companies have a real entrepreneurial spirit apart from each other, and so it's just a really great fit.
I think it works because of the people. I think that the people on both sides, the Bank South Mortgage and the Bank South Bank, care about their customers. And if you put the customer first and that is your goal, to satisfy the customer, then you share a common goal.
Both entities understand the importance of customer service. The bank side has a long history of customer service here at Lake Oconee, and they're providing that same integrity and knowledge to the mortgage side, and they've carried it forward in the Atlanta market and throughout the state.
The bank has worked really hard to provide support, products and services for Loan South. For instance, we facilitate their warehouse lending. We have done bridge loans, a few portfolio loans, some specialty products. Even now we're working on new products, portfolio adjustable rate mortgages, home equity lines of credit. All these things help those loan officers close their transactions.
Our employees, they need to feel safe and appreciated during this time. Everyone should take time to get to know each other. Sometimes we forget that other people have another job to do, and our need is a priority to us, and we don't always think about the person on the other end.
I think the focus of any business is serving the customer. I think you have to anticipate what the needs of the customers are. I think you have to do everything you can to meet and exceed their expectations.
We have to focus on pounding the streets, seeing people, talking to people about what we can do, and being there front of mind when that customer is ready to make a buying decision. Banking is going away from brick and mortar. We've got to have the technology to deliver our bank to the customer's house, to their place of business, to their car, to their back pocket.
To make sure that we're good stewards and that we handle the growth and the opportunities in a way that always strengthens the tie between the two.
As long as you're delivering a product or a service that not only people need but they want, I think you're going to be successful.
I'm looking forward to showing the state of Georgia that Bank South is here.
To have the bank name in front of the mortgage company gives us a name brand and name recognition in the marketplace.
I'm excited about the combined strengths of these two entities coming together to form something that, for me, gives the feeling of a long-term, lasting company that I want to be a part of for the long haul.
We're always excited to be servicing new customers, and we're looking forward to the opportunity to serve the customers that are referred to us from Bank South Mortgage.
What I look forward to the most is both of us being able to work with each other's strengths. I think over the past 2 or 3 years we've gotten to know each other. We have learned what we're all good at, and I think we have a lot of strengths to draw on.
We're in it for the long term, for the long haul, and we measure those times not in years but in generations.
This is a new chapter for all of us, and I want all of you to know that I will never forget what it took to get here.
I just see that every day is a new beginning, and we have a very special opportunity, and I'm blessed to be a part of it. I want you to be too.
As we become Bank South Mortgage, I'd like to say thank you to everyone for your hard work and dedication. I'm very excited about what the future brings, and together we'll do great things.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time.